Hey everyone, I'm Stella from LTL Language School. Today, let's think a bit first. Chinese, Mandarin, 普通话, Hanyu.
动物最没有方向感。什么动物最没有方向感？
Chinese, Mandarin, Hanyu. Well, I think they are the same. Well, yes and no. Depends on how you look at it. Chinese, 中文. Chinese can be thought of as a big language box. Inside of this box, there are many smaller boxes. A Mandarin box, a Cantonese box, a Shanghainese box, a Hokkien box. All of them are Chinese. 现在我在说中文。现在我在说中文。Mandarin, 官话。While every region has its own dialect and accent, Mandarin is the most widely spoken one. If you go through YouTube channels, most people you hear are speaking Mandarin, just like we do. We don't only speak Mandarin, but we speak the most standard Mandarin. The most standard Mandarin, 普通话. Maybe now you're a bit confused by this.
妮儿今儿去干嘛呀？
这是北京话。
你干哈去呀？
这是东北话。
你做啥子？
这是四川话。They seem like what we are learning now, but in a really different way. These are still Mandarin, just with different accents. The most standard Mandarin though, look at me, 普通话. And if you're already in China or have been to China, you were probably listening to Mandarin all the time, unless you go to some specific regions like Guangdong, where they speak Cantonese. Cantonese is also Chinese, but it's not Mandarin because it's most used in Guangdong. I don't know Cantonese. If you do, tell me in the comments. Finally, we come to Hanyu. Oh, there's actually a book named Hanyu for Chinese learners. Nothing seems different from 普通话 and Mandarin, right? That's right, it's just a bit different perspective. China has 34 provinces with various lifestyles and cultural roots spread all over the country. And there are 56 ethnic groups in China, almost each with their own language. 56 ethnic groups, 56个民族. During university, I had classmates from different ethnic groups. One of my roommates was from Inner Mongolia, 内蒙古, a province in the north. And believe me, I understood nothing when she spoke or wrote in Mongolian. 蒙古语. I could only tell that it's a beautiful language by the sound and the characters. As for me, I belong to Han ethnic group. 汉族. More than 90% of Chinese population belong to Han ethnic group, which makes Hanyu the most widely used language in China. Mandarin belongs to Hanyu. In fact, it's the biggest branch of Hanyu. I may not understand Cantonese, but Cantonese still Hanyu because it comes from the same ethnic group. Hanzu. I really wish I could speak more languages of more ethnic groups because I'm fascinated by their sound and characters. But let's just say, I wish. Not really possible to achieve though. So let's summarize. The biggest, 中文, and then inside the biggest, 汉语, and then inside again the biggest, Mandarin. 官话. The most standard Mandarin. 普通话. We are all learning Chinese here, but tell me in the comments which Chinese you're specifically learning. 汉语, 普通话. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow LTL Language School for more language tips. See you next time. Bye!